Hey y'all, let's get into it. You're gonna need raw whole flax seeds. This is the Elan Organic Flaxseed 9.7 ounce package. Next, you'll need chia seeds. This is the Better Body Foods 2-pound jar. It doesn't have to be organic, whatever that means. As long as it's whole, we're good. And last, knee-high stockings. I have a 10 pair box, which is technically 20 stockings, but today we only need 2. I'll link everything in the description box below. For this recipe, we'll be using half a cup of flaxseed. Correct measurements are important for this gel because we want the right consistency. You'll need 12 ounces or 1.5 cup of water. Y'all, please excuse my head, okay? I was legit trying to make sure I hit that 12-ounce mark. Before we add the flaxseed, we need the water to be at a boil. So we'll work on the chia seed part until it heats up. Same as the flaxseed, we're going to use 1/2 cup chia seeds and 1.5 cup of water. You want to make sure you take a spoon and stir so that all the seeds are incorporated. Set aside for 10 minutes. Now that the water is at a boil, let's add the flaxseed. It won't take long for the water to start boiling again, so just keep an eye out. It's crucial at this stage to keep stirring so the flaxseed doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. When it starts to get a slimy texture, we're halfway there. At this point, we're done.
Like fatto. Finito, okay?
We're gonna add 1/2 cup of water and let it cool down for 30 minutes. It looks like the chia seed gel have the right amount of thickness, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this. We're only doing a light blend because the goal is to release the gel from the seed and not break up the seed completely. This looks about right. Use a cup or a bowl that's big enough to hold all of the gel. Once you attach the knee-high stocking, you can just dump everything inside. Make sure you do get everything.
Over here we want no waste.
I like to use gloves during this part because it's about to get real messy. Make sure all of the seeds are at the bottom of the stocking and wrap it tight around your hand. Well, not too tight, still need that blood circulation. Now the only thing left to do is squeeze. This part requires a lot of handwork and patience. Once you can't get any more gel out the stocking while you're squeezing, this means you're done.
Congratulations.
This is how much gel I got from the chia seeds. Not bad. Now, you'll repeat the same process for the flaxseed. With the flaxseed added, this is how much gel I have altogether. I give it a mix and then add my oils. This helps to preserve the gel so that it can last longer. I added some tea tree oil, which is believed to be antibacterial. Next, I add vitamin E oil, known to improve hair health. And last but not least, rosemary oil, my fave. Adding your own unique set of oils can enhance your gel as well as help with the smell. Again, I give it another mix and I love what it's given. The texture is perfect and it smells delightful. Lucky me, I always have a recyclable jar accessible and ready to use. This is the final product, y'all. Stay tuned for how I use this gel on my own hair.
Alright, I know y'all see this situation.
This is the result of too much tension from extensions. I now have a bald spot on both sides of my head. I regret not taking care of it sooner. I don't know. I just wasn't concerned until about 6 months ago when it became more than noticeable. Now I do my own hair and usually it's in mini twists. I like to style them in a low maintenance bun. So my solution was to stop using edge control and use a natural gel. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help nourish hair follicles and reduce inflammation. They are also packed with zinc. Zinc is essential to cell growth and repair, so it plays an active part in restoring hair tissue. A super bonus for chia seeds is that they are rich in the protein keratin. This protein maintains the structure, strength, and appearance of your hair. On the other hand, flaxseed is high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that reduces scalp damage and encourages stronger, healthier hair growth. I'm not sure if this is related or contributing to my condition, but I'm taking a hormonal birth control. Flaxseed contains plant compounds that helps balance hormone levels, which leads to reducing hair thinning. Not only do I use this gel for my edges, but I also use it as a styler for my twists and as a pre-poo treatment with aloe vera. So if you're interested in how I incorporate aloe vera into this gel and my routine for pre-pooing, it will be included in the info tab in the top right-hand corner of this video. Since YouTube changed their front-end UI elements, it's highly likely you won't be able to make out what it says. So I'll also link the video in the description box below. I like to play around with how I want my baby hair to basically sit down on my head. It's a constant battle between what looks natural, but also hides the bald areas. When I feel satisfied with how it looks, I add a little bit of oil to my edges. This helps with the flakiness of the gel, but I put so much gel on, I doubt it will do much. After that, I take a satin scarf and tie it around my head.
And let me just say, yes, this scarf has been used. Yes, I used it. So FYI.
I make sure I not only lay my edges down, but also the rest of my hair as well. Once it's mostly dry, I take off the scarf and go to work on the damage. To get rid of the flakes, the first thing I do is use more oil, hitting the spots I overlooked. Then, I take a clean, wet toothbrush, wet with water and not gel, and go over my edges again. When I finish doing that, I retie the satin scarf. Now, if you don't have time or you're impatient like me, you can blow dry your edges to speed up the process. Once I feel confident it's fully dry, I take off the scarf
And I'm happy with the results.
Thank you for watching this video. I really do love using this gel. If you made it to the end, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I love y'all. Most importantly, God loves y'all. Peace.